Start twerking like Miley. Twerking like Miley. Start twerking like Miley. Twerking like Miley. When I throw it up. Start twerking like Miley. Twerking like Miley. When I throw it up. Start twerking like Miley. Twerking like Miley.
At wala kayong karapatan dahil nanonood lang kayo.
Tama. Kaya huwag kayo mangingialam kasi kahit sino man kayo, walang makakapigil sa amin.
Tama na.
Kayo ba'y naligo na? Ako, hindi pa.
It's fun to stay at the YMCA. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. What the hell?
I hope you cleaned your hair out of the drain. I hope you cleaned your hair. Shut up! Shut up! Cut it out!
Relasyon. Querida kabet number 2 mistress relasyon. Terry, wag mo akong ma-Terry!